How's it going? This is Ionacus, and today I'm doing the review of the Gen 1 Transformers Micromasters Battle Patrol. And this is only the second set of Micromasters I have complete. So, probably won't see many more Micromaster sets for a while. But, start off with a green tank. This is flak. Looks very nice. Little treads on the bottom. And you got the wheels underneath that does allow for a bit of rolling. But they really don't want to roll very well, like most Micromasters. Robot mode. Bring the cannons back. You flip the front part out, down, and you bring his arms up. And there you go. Mine has the legs are a little more on the loose side. But I mean, what do you expect from a toy that's 89, 99, almost 30 years old? It's about to happen. And here's Big Shot, his long-range armored vehicle. Nice cannon, beige on top, coloring on top, the brown vehicle. Again, with the tires that just don't want to roll. Again, what can you do? Transform is easy. You bring that up, the cannon upward, you move the legs down, and you bring the arms up. And some people prefer this up, some people prefer it down. I like it going upward because it gives that, wow, more of a, know that he's more of a tank than just another armored vehicle. And now you have Sidetrack. Always kind of remind me of the G.I. Joe Wolverine vehicle. I'm not exactly sure what that was called, but it kind of reminded me of it for some reason. Unfortunately, I sold mine a while back and no longer have it. But transforming, you move the legs down like most Micromasters, move the front piece forward, and put the arms up. And then there is Sidetrack over here. And finally, we have the jet for the Battle Patrol. Is Sunrunner. He's got a mounted cannon thing on top. So they're probably going to murder me on the comments about not placing the name right. But, yeah, I do what I know. It's transformed again like most Micromasters. You turn the legs forward, the wings back, flip the arms down, and those come forward, and you have your robot mode. They're all about average review and robot modes. They're all nice looking. Definitely a good military-based set. Definitely one for everybody to pick up. Most of these individually are probably pretty cheap, except for Big Shot. You'll have to find one with a cannon still attached because it just easily pops right off. But this is definitely a set that should be included into your Gen 1 collection if you enjoy the Transformers Micromasters. So that's about it. And so this is Ionacus If you subscribe, give me a like below, comments, and I'll see you next time.